Good day to everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. My name is Kamal Azad. I'm working as a teacher in English Fantasies. So English Fantasy is a place where you will come to know what is English about. Here you can get the correct pronunciations and you can work with your all four parts, that is listening, writing, reading, and speaking. This is the place where you can get the best of yourselves. You can learn English like your mother tongue, with the way when you are born and brought up, you started speaking Bengali and you never thought of the grammars and anything, okay? And you become a good speaker. The same way we will provide and motivate you to become a good speaker in English language. So this is the right place and the right institutions where you can get and make yourself blessed. Thank you very much, and invite all of you to become a part of English Fantasies. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.